Hi, in this video, I'll walk you through how to file your Lagos State personal income tax on the LIRS portal, from login to payments and easy download. This guide is designed for freelancers, consultants, and employees filing basic PIT returns. Please note, this video is for general guidance and educational purposes. Tax situations differ, so consult a professional if your case is complex. Once you log into your LIRS portal, you land on your dashboard. Here you will see your taxpayer details, filing history, and any outstanding obligation. Remember, figures on the dashboard do not automatically mean you owe tax. The actual tax liability is determined during assessment. Before entering any figures, it's important to understand not every section applies to every taxpayer, so don't panic if you see unfamiliar terms. To begin filing, navigate to the My Tax Return section. This is where your PIT filing process starts. Under My Tax Return, select the relevant tax year and open a return or create a return. Ensure you are filing for the current year and confirm your taxpayer details before proceeding. For the purpose of this video, we'll be filing basic PIT for an employee who is also an entrepreneur. You put your name. Adding a document is not mandatory, so we can skip that. You put your salary. Now, this salary is your annual gross salary. We are filing for your daily income. So this is your gross, not your net. The income you made in your business for the year, and these are allowances. This pension refers to your employee pension for the year, not your employer pension contribution. Please note, it is your employee pension. Any section you do not understand what it means, it is better to leave it at zero rather than overstate. We have your dividends, we have your interest income, then this is rental income if you own a property. Click on next. This is where we move on to the mandatory disclosure of your accommodation. So you have to disclose where you live, accommodation type, ownership type, the person's name, your landlord's name, rent you paid for the year, and then the date, the period for the rent. This is same 2025, January to December. And then you click next. Once you click next, you file your PIT. You file your returns. Now, for the purpose of this video, since this is a general guidance video, we're not going to click next. The next thing we're going to do is to calculate our tax to know how much our tax liability is going to be. Let's navigate to the assessment section. You click on your tax calculator. Under income, you see your earned and unearned income. Enter your earned income, that's such as salary, the business income. Then your earned income may include rental income interest. Only put in figures that are applicable and are relevant to the tax year. Although pension also appears here, it is the same amount that we filled in previously. Please note. The deduction section reflects statutory deductions such as employee pension. This is the same pension amount we filled previously. Do not enter a new pension. Reliefs. Reliefs reduce your taxable income, and the most important relief is the Consolidated Relief Allowance, also known as CRA. It is automatically calculated by the system. You do not need to enter it manually. Pension may also appear here as National Pension Scheme. It refers to your employee pension contribution. If you're unsure about a relief, it is safer to leave it at zero rather than overstate it. Onto the adjustment section. This section covers adjustments like balancing charge, capital allowances. It applies mainly to business owners with assets. If you're a salary earner or filing basic PIT, you can leave this section at zero. I will explain this fully in a separate advanced video. Retail taxes. Withholding taxes deducted from you if you are a freelancer or consultant that has charged an invoice, a patent invoice, and your client deducted applicable withholding tax. And because WHT are like prepayment, it is tax already paid in advance on your behalf. It reduces your tax liability. Now, under other, we have prepayments. Prepayment includes taxes already paid on your behalf. You can see pay appears here because it is tax deducted in advance by your employer. Impute this amount here. The direct remittances, that's payment on your account. If you have just decided to just credit your account just to have money in your LIRS account, then you proceed to calculate your tax. In green, highlighted in green is your tax due. This is what you're gonna pay. After assessment, you get the balance payable. This system will generate the bill slip. Use this official bill slip to make payment through approved channels. Avoid making payment outside the LIRS generated reference. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be manually generating bill slip. So you navigate to the payment section and generate bill slip. Under agency, you click on label click internal revenue service of the LIRS or generating for it with direct assessment. Then also click the date, the period for the assessment, and then the amount that were generated on the bill slip. So after bill slip is generated, it looks like this. LIRS portal is going to direct you to the payment platform where you pay the liability. Once payment is confirmed, download the official tax receipt from the portal. You have to navigate to your payment history, filter for the period you want. All your receipts are going to be there, and then just download. You covered how to file a Lagos State VAT return, from login to assessments, payments, and receipt download. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more tax guidance. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section below. For personalized assistance or consultation, you can reach out via the email in the description. Please remember, this video is for general information and guidance and does not constitute personalized tax advice.